Hi everyone, my name is Chris and I'm from It for Spread. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Crypto Masterbot 2 update. Is this trading software still profitable? And in today's video I will try to make a live trading session using Crypto Masterbot 2, and in this way you'll see if it's still profitable or not. So stay here until the end of this video to see what's all about, and if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. In this way you'll be notified every time I'm uploading new videos. So that being said, let's jump into the video. Right, everyone. So maybe you are asking why I am dressed like this, of course, and the reason that I am dressed like this is that because I got a flu, and that's why I didn't post too many videos lately. So I apologize for this, but the flu kept me away from the computer, but I made some trades. I continued with my trades using Crypto Masterbot 2, and as you can see now I have in my account $2,225, and as you may know, and if you don't know, I made already a withdrawal of $10,000, and that's why here the profit shows $12,225. All right, so now I will trade today. I will try to trade with $100 profit, take profit and stop loss. So let's see and what will happen in today's trading session. So $10,000 profit until now, so far, 1 month and a half trading with this particular trading software, Crypto Masterbot 2, and we are on our way to make the second withdrawal on $10,000 again. When I reach $10,000, I already have $2,225, so more $8,000 and we will make the second withdrawal. So let's go and let's start our trading journey, our trading session for today, our live trading session. But first thing first, if you are new to this channel, I want to tell you a few things about Crypto Masterbot 2. Crypto Masterbot 2, it is an automated trading software. That means it will automatically place all the signals into your broker account. As you can see, my broker, it is Investus, and here it's the signal box. You can choose from these signals here, and all you have to do is click on the trade button, and the software, it will place all the signals into your broker account. You don't have to do nothing. The software, it will automatically set the stop loss, take profit, and also the lot volume. So that being said, with no further ado, let's go and let's make some money in today's trading session. Don't choose these signals here with red because it will expire soon. Choose from here with orange, and let's choose. But first thing first, don't forget to put the software on because now it's on off, and now I turn it on, and now all you can do is just to click on the trade. I've placed a Litecoin USD signal. Let's choose Australian dollar, Swiss franc, the second one, which is the Litecoin USD, it is a sell, and Australian dollar, Swiss franc, it is a buy. Let's choose Australian dollar, US dollar, which is a buy also. Let's choose Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, the fourth trade, it is a buy. Let's choose Euro AUD, which is a sell. Let's choose Euro GBP. Euro GBP, it is a buy. And let's find another one, New Zealand dollar, US dollar, which is a sell. US dollar, Canadian dollar, and US dollar Swiss franc, and that's it. I think it's enough for today. We have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 trades. Eight trades, and let's choose US dollar Japanese yen, and now we have 9 trades. So that's it. That's the trading session for today. We will see here all the trading history, all the trades that we've placed. We'll see what will happen here in this box. Alright, so when you are starting, if you decide to start using CryptoMaster Bot 2 with minimum $250 required in order to use it, just email me at chrisbrag@gmail.com and I will send you my setting that I've been using when I started this account with $250, and I grow it until $10,000, and I made a withdrawal also. So that's it. So from my experience, I know that this will take some time in order to all the trades to expire, and I don't want you to let you wait. So stay here, don't go. I'll be back in a second with today's trading session results. Stay here. Alright guys, so I'm back with today's trading session, and as you can see, still one trade it's pending, and now it's closed, this one, and it is a winning trade. And as you can see here, we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 trades, 7 winning trades and 3 losing trades. So 3 out of 10 losing trades, and we have a profit today of $400, sorry. And as you can see here, our balance has increased from 2,225 to 2,625. So that's it. That's the trading session for today. We have US dollar Swiss franc, which was a buy, and it is a winning trade, $100 won. Canadian dollar Japanese yen, it was a buy, a winning trade. Euro GBP, it was a buy, winning trade. New Zealand dollar US dollar, $100 winning trade, it was a sell. Euro AUD, it was a sell, I lost here $100. Australian dollar US dollar, it was a buy, $100 winning trade. Litecoin USD, it was a sell, and it is a losing trade. So avoid trading cryptos in this period, because the market is very volatile. I don't know why. We have Australian dollar Swiss franc, it is a buy, and it is a winning trade. Now is the time to buy cryptos, you know, because now it's a low price and it will go up until February. So now if you want to buy, and in 2 months you will have maybe 100% profit from just from buying Bitcoin right now. For example, you can buy Bitcoin and you can make 100 profit in less than 2 months. In my opinion, this is how I see the market is going. Australian dollar Swiss franc, it's a buy, while winning trade. US dollar Japanese yen, it is a sell, a losing trade. And US dollar Canadian dollar, it is a buy and $100 winning trade. So that's it. To answer to today's question, is this trading software still profitable? Yes, it is. $400 profit in today's trading session. If you want to use this particular trading software, CryptoMaster Bot 2, I'll put a link below this video in the description area for you to be easier to access it. If you have question, put a question in the comments area, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a nice weekend. And today is Friday. It's a big volatility in the market, but still we have $400 profit. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye.